Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate with KitKat. First, gather your ingredients: KitKat bars, milk, cocoa powder, and sugar. For each serving, you'll need about 2 to 3 KitKat fingers and 1 cup of milk. This simple method ensures a delicious, creamy drink every time. We'll combine these items to create a delightful treat that's perfect for any occasion. Get ready to enjoy a unique twist on a classic beverage. Now let's get those KitKat bars ready. Break your KitKat fingers into smaller pieces. This helps them melt smoothly and quickly. Gently heat your milk in a saucepan over medium-low heat, being careful not to boil it. Once the milk is warm, add the broken KitKat pieces. Stir continuously until the chocolate is fully melted and incorporated, creating a rich, smooth base for your hot chocolate. Next, we'll build on that delicious KitKat base. Whisk in 1 to 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for a deeper chocolate flavor. Then, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar, adjusting the sweetness to your preference. Keep stirring gently until all the cocoa powder and sugar are fully dissolved and blended. This ensures a consistent, flavorful hot chocolate that's perfectly balanced and ready for the final touches. Finally, it's time to enjoy your amazing KitKat hot chocolate. Carefully pour the warm, rich mixture into your favorite mug. For an extra special touch, you can garnish it with a dollop of whipped cream or a few more broken KitKat pieces. Serve it immediately and take a moment to savor this unique and easy-to-make treat. It's a perfect way to relax and indulge.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.